Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I'm going to talk about baby seats. So we have here 3 different kinds with 3 different price tag. The cheapest one, the Regalo My Little Seat, is coming in at just under $31 at the time of filming. The next one we have is the Bumbo multi-seat, and this one comes in at just under $79. And the last one we have is this Upseat. This one comes in at $110 at the time of filming. I will put all the product information down in the description below so you can go check them out. So how baby now is getting up in age that she can sit upright, and we have been using the Bumbo floor seats, but mainly I'm just going to compare this 3 because this is mostly for kids that's able to sit upright. They have more features than the Bumbo floor seats that we have been using. And next what we're going to do is to unbox every one of them and then try it out with our daughter and see which one she likes the most and which one we prefer the most. Alright, so the first one I'm going to talk about is the Regalo My Little Seat. And this one is sorry unpacked, I know. When the product shipped to us, I thought it was a shipping box on the outside, but it turned out that was the actual product box. So anyway, so what you have in there is the tray, the manual instructions, you have the straps, and the chair itself. This can be separated and you have the harness inside already. Again, this one is the cheapest of the 3, comes in at just under $31 at the time of filming. Now this is a floor seat, plus it can transform into a booster seat once you put it on top of an adult chair. And this seat is suited for age 4 to 12 month old babies. Now what I really like about this chair is the fact that it is the cheapest of the 3. It is really easy to clean, and it's mostly made out of foam and plastic. So if you got it dirty, you just have to wipe it down. Now, as far as for the tray, it's not the biggest of the 3, but it comes in a decent size. Now, the downside of this chair is the fact that you can only use until 12 months old for the baby. It has limited of time to use this type of chair. So the next one we have is this Bumbo multi-seat. This one is for kids aged 6 to 36 months. So let's open this. Okay, so this one is in the color pink. You have the instruction, you have the harness, and the straps for the chair is actually held within the seat itself. So, oh wow, this is quite convenient. You don't have to worry about the strap hanging loose. It's already within the seat itself. So this is pretty cool. Oh, it looks like this is the tray. Oh wow. Anyway, so this is the Bumbo multi-seat. This one comes in at just under $79 at the time of filming, and this is suitable for kids 6 months to 36 months. Of the 3, this one has multi-function. So not only you can use it as a floor chair, but you can use it as a seat booster, or you can use it as a high chair. So the booster seat, again, you have to strap it on to an adult chair in order for it to hold on securely. The third way of using this is the high chair. High chair, there's a bottom portion of the seat. You can actually take it out and you flip it 180 and put it back on. It will increase the height of the chair itself. Now what I really like about this seat is the fact that, again, it's super easy to clean because the seat itself is made out of foam and surrounding is the plastic. It's so easy to clean if your kid make a mess. It is the only one that you can actually have everything within the chair. If you want to make it into a booster seat, all the straps are on the side where you can just pull out and then plug it into an adult chair. Once you are done with it, you can push it back. It can be held on the side of the chair. Not only that, the seat itself, if you don't want to use the seat, you can actually put it inside the chair itself. So that way, if your kid is a little bit grown, you don't need the cushion seat anymore, you can do so. And the tray is actually held onto the back. So in terms of storage, this seat actually taking up the least amount of space. So it's very convenient to use and have around in your house. And also the fact that you can actually have the kid continue to use it until he or she turns 36 months old. Now the downside is this seat you cannot use until the kid turns 6 months old. Now our daughter right now is at 5 months old. There is a difference because we have a older Bumbo seat that is a floor seat, which you can use it much earlier at the age of 3 months. So the big difference is that the floor seats, the seat itself is very deep. So basically the kid's leg is kind of being prop up and then the butt is down, so that way the kid can be sitting upright. But with the Bumbo 3-in-1, that one is mostly like a chair instead of like a deep seat. When the kid is sitting in there, the leg is just kind of extended out. My daughter, her back muscle is not really there to support herself, so she cannot really sit upright. So that's the only downside with this chair. You just need to make sure that you use it when your kid is able to sitting upright. Alright, so the last one we have is the Upseat. So let's open this. Got the manual instruction. This Upseat is advertised as really good for the baby's back and their posture. You have the harness in there already. So this is actually a 2-point harness. You have the straps. This can also be held down to a chair. A thank you card. And here is the tray itself. Alright, so here are all the parts in the seat itself. This is the Upseat. This one is the most expensive of the three. Comes in at just under $110 at the time of filming. Now this one is suitable for kids 4 months up to 2 years old. What I like about this Upseat is how it's designed. It's so much easy for us to put the kid in and out of the chair compared to the other two. Not that the other two are hard, but this Upseat, it just seems more natural when we put the kid inside the chair. And the way that my kid is sitting inside, it also just seems so effortless, the way that she was able to keep herself upward. This chair does what it advertised. Also the fact that it's super easy to clean, and this is the only one that has a handle on the top where you can just grab the chair and go. Now it has the biggest tray of the three. The tray is really large, and it can also be treated as a floor seat or as a booster seat. Now the downside with this one obviously is the price tag, and this is by far the most expensive one. And also one of the downside is compared to the Bumbo, it can only use up to 2 years. So you're paying at the premium price, but you don't actually get the longest time that you can actually use it for. So those are the things I don't like about this Upseat. Now my final recommendation for those three seats, I would skip the Regalo, as that one, even though it's the cheapest and it has a lot of good things going for it, but the really huge downside is the fact that it has limited usage. So you can only use until the kid turns 12. After that, you have to transition the kid into either a different seat or into a high chair, which means that you have to spend more money. As far as for the other two, now if money is no issue, go with the Upseat. That one has a handle on the top, and you can start using it when the kid is turned 4 months old up until 2 years. You do get a long range of usage out of it. Not only that, you have a tray that's the biggest of the three, which allows you as parents to put more stuff on there for your kid to play, or more stuff on there for your kids to eat as meals. The most versatile one is the Bumbo. Now that one, again, is really convenient. Everything is just there. Like the tray is on the back, and then all the straps are within the chair. It's the only one that you can actually adjust the height of the chair as well. So the Bumbo one is really versatile. So my take is, if money has no issue, go with the Upseat. If you want something that's more versatile, go with the Bumbo. For the Regalo, I would say just skip it. That's my comparison of this 3 baby seats at 3 different price points. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.